Time to begin! Hi, today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture. Let's get going. So what I want to tell, today we are officially renaming the series because Chucky cannot pronounce it good. Just kidding, I can't pronounce it, just I get confused. So yeah, we have named it. So sad. We have named it to One Day, One Doodle. So yeah, let's get going. So today we are using another box because my cookies went off to school. So yeah, anyway, the cookies went to school. Time to begin. So yeah, we have to do the viernes. V1. Oh no, this doesn't paint. Okay, it's kitty cat. It's been long, but it's time for you to retire. Where can I eat you? Yeet. Woohoo. So yeah, go doggy. This is your time. Work, please. This is the only thing you have to do. Thank you for being so wholesome and being good to me for once. I remember my kitty cat. Just kidding, I will buy new refills to the kitty cats so they work again. So yeah, today what we are gonna do, we are gonna draw what's the thing? Ice cream. Perfect. So start with the face. Starting with the face. One eye, two eye, mouth, cheek, cone, close cone, ice cream scoop. Now these things on the ice cream cone. The chest. Okay, now time for the sparkles and spots, which are now sparkles and two dots. Sparkle, dots, sparkle, two 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 dots, two dots, sparkle, sparkle, two dots, sparkle. Okay, we are finished. So yeah, but today we are finished finally. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Oh no. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. Don't forget about the likes, comments, and subscribes. We really need them. Thanks for watching. Bye.